Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Webb. Today's video is going to be a home bargains haul. I have the goodies in this bag, but before we get into the video and I show you the products and the items I did get, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is if you like the video, then please remember to give it a massive thumbs up, because if it tells me that you like it and the content that I'm bringing, other people will see it and other people will like it, and that is all good. So definitely give it a thumbs up. Also, come and subscribe to tazwells12. It's very easy to do that. Just go on my main page. There is a subscribe button top of my main page. Click that and then you will be subscribed to tazwells12, my YouTube journey and the love family. Also, there is a bell notification, because if you click that, it will tell you when a new video has been uploaded onto the channel, and you can see it there and then. So yeah, if you could please subscribe, that'd be great. Comment down below if you like anything in the video or want to give me feedback, and I will always 100% comment back to you and like your comment. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention. This is just all out of my own money. I went to Home Bargains, done a little shop, bought what I wanted, and yeah, it's not sponsored by anyone. Check out my other social medias, which is 2 on Instagram. So you have tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we will get on into the home bargains. Ooh. Quick little note, I have my receipt, so I will tell you the exact price of everything that I bought. This is something I do on my hauls. I show you the receipt and then tell you the price on here, because then I can give you an exact price of what it is at the time I've done this video. Also, even if it's a small haul or big haul, I definitely still bring them to you, because I think they're worth it, because sometimes I could have that one item that someone is looking for, so I still bring it if it's big or large. The first item I'm going to go for in this haul is the cards. So I got 3 cards this time. A luxe one, which looks like this. So it's like a bottle of bubbly with 2 little glasses, and it just says pop fizz clink, happy birthday to you. This was 69 pence. I thought this was really nice. I've got like a birthday coming up, so I definitely got that one. And the next one I got was this one, which I think is really pretty. So this was actually a luxe one as well, and this was 69 pence, which I think is a fantastic price for like cards, because cards can be really damn expensive. And it just says happy birthday to someone special. It doesn't have a message on, doesn't say on the back, but 69p, what a good bargain. And then the last card I got was for one of my gran, and it just says happy birthday grandma, have a lovely day. And then it's just got this little bird on with this little bunting and this cup, and there's some like glittery bits on it. No message again. Oh, there we go, the card opens and it just has a little simple message, but that was 69p as well, which is really good bargain. So 3 cards, which are 69p each, for under £1 is a really good bargain. One of the items that I did actually generally want to go for, which I think is a really good like price for these, and we seem to go through quite a few. I gather up quite a few when I go as well, if they've got some nice scents, and it's the Wickford diffuser, which is 100ml, and this is £1.99. I got 2 different scents. First scent I got is like a very summery one, so it's just this one here in this yellow box. And this one is Haze Summer Nights scented reed diffuser from wickfordco, just on the bottle like that. I will normally pour it into a nicer bottle because I don't really like the tall ones. I like the nice little like rounded flat ones. So they just come with normal sticks, but for £1.99 these are really nice and really like fruity and scenty, and I love the like the sort of summer edition sort of scents. I think they come up with a bit more nicer ones. So that is the first one, and they do a lovely little picture on it as well. I know they have it on there. Try not to keep this bottle. And the other one I got is kind of like a holiday sort of theme, like beachy summery theme, and this one is called Beach Days. I don't really know what they smell like because they don't really say. But what I try and do is, like, they have candles at the same time. So what I do is try and smell the candles to see what they're like. And they're probably pretty much what the reed diffuser is gonna smell like. $1.99 each. So I got 2 of these and 2 of the yellow ones, which is a really good bargain for this for $1.99, because reed diffusers can be so expensive. They're like £3 to £4. Sometimes they're £6 that we get sometimes. So really good to stock up for like £2 reed diffusers. Then I got some Homepride white wine sauce for 89p. 2 of these. So they're just in a can like this, and I thought these were really nice, and actually it's give you a really good example what you could actually have it with, because sometimes we struggle, but these look really nice. It just says how to add oil to pan and stir fry chicken for 5 minutes until brown, put your sauce in, and it just says cook it with it. And it just looks like a really easy meal for like 89p for a little tin. That will do both of us. That's enough sauce, and I really wanted to try them. And normally white wine is a really nice sauce, or like a red wine sort of sauce, but I went for the white wine because that's the only sort of one they had. But for 89p, really good. Got like a little theme night on a gin night. We go like a local one just for like a couple of people, and it's actually a Hawaiian sort of theme. But when we went in Home Bargains, perfect timing, because they had some Hawaiian stuff. First one I'll go for was this little set. So it's just like little sort of pretty much common little flower like necklace. There's a little head bit, there's some like bands that you can put on your arms, and this is called Hello Summer 4-piece Hawaiian set 4-pack, and this was only 79p, which is really great. I've actually already got one. This is for my partner, just to like sort of have a bit of fun and dress up. My mum, and she also got one too. So for 79p, what a bargain, and was really convenient that we actually need this stuff. The other Hawaiian item I got was a Hawaiian skirt. So this is Hello Summer Hawaiian grass skirt, and it's just got like, we took my mum's out of the packet, so it's just a grass skirt, which we got green. There was pink, or like the natural like straw colour. Has flowers all around the top, elasticated waist, and then there's like a bit of velcro on it, so it's really good. And this was at the price of $1.29, which I thought was really good, because obviously if we use it for now, what I've got is actually a dress up box, because you just never know when you need this stuff. And like £1.29 for this is a really good bargain, because there could be another Hawaiian night that someone does, and then we can use this again for like £1.29, put it in the box, and it's handy as you can be. Really handy that Home Bargains did have this stuff in. In Poundland, I was buying grated cheese, and you've probably seen it in one of my Poundland hauls, and it's really good. It's a really like decent like tub size for £1. I got one just to try it, and we have it like with spag bowl and some other dishes. I thought I need to go and get another one, so I went into Poundland, had a look, and they had one left. So it must have been that sort of popular little item that people need. And then I said to my partner, just be careful, because I don't know where else we're going to get this, because it doesn't look like Poundland's going to have it back. But then in Home Bargains, it's a smaller like pot, but it's going to be doing us. I bought 2 of these actually. So it's grated cheese, which is more handier than a smaller pot actually, called Napoleon. And it's just called the Italian grated cheese. And then there is 50 grams in here, which is really good. We won't use that over odds. And then there's a best before date of the 3rd of the 2nd, 2023. So it's got quite a good date on it. And this was 79p each. So I grabbed 2 of them because, again, I did not know if I were going to see it again. It might just be a one-off. Home Bargains can be like that too. So B&M can. So I grabbed 2 when I saw it. On this item, we didn't actually need this, but when I saw it, I've wanted to try it for a little while, and actually I had a little sniff of it in the shop, and I thought it'd be quite nice actually. So I grabbed one of these, which I kind of think is really themely in our house, and it's got this design of like little bees on it. So it's from Imperialleather, and it's called Beehappy. So it's called Golden Neroli and Lemon Drops Icons hand wash, and there's 475 in here. So it was mainly because really like the bee theme I got it. I'll probably keep it in this pot. We've got some others that we normally like pour it into. We get like a cheaper one from Aldi, but I thought, you know what, let's try this one. I can either put it in the kitchen because sometimes you need a hand wash in there. I thought we'd get that, and that was only 99p. So if anyone's tried this before, tell me what it's like, because we're not going to try it for a little while, so let me know what you think of it. One of the boring items that I got was Sweetex. So I grab this every start of time in like Bargains or B&M. So this is calorie-free sweeteners, Sweetex, making life sweet. I only grabbed the 300 like tablet one. Sometimes we will grab the 600 one, but there's a big bit of difference in that price. 8th of the 4th of 2025. So I'm the only one that kind of uses it in the house. My partner will use like normal sugar, but some guests will, like if they come and see us, like friends and that, they will want these too. So I do always try and top up because we do need these, and I use them in my cup of tea. So this was at the price of 99p. So I thought, you know what, just for a top up of 300, it'll last us for a little while of 99p. On the receipt, I actually got some Pampers grass. So I was out looking for this for a little while actually. Saw it on their Instagram that they had these, and I thought, you know what, that'd be quite nice, like in a vase downstairs that we got. I am going to do like a little project on a little, like I think they're called Debbie John, like sort of wine bottle or beer bottle or cider bottle. I bought the Pampers grass, and they actually had the colours I want, because I actually asked my mum a couple of weeks to like look for this, and she couldn't find it. I went in there this time and found it. So they were $1.99 per Pampers grass. So they're quite nice actually. They're like a sort of string material. If you get them on like the curtain like holders, they're sort of that material. I'll show you anyway. So I got a black one, and I got like a dark green one, which obviously suits in our house. Really nice, $1.99. They make a difference, and they just make that little thing. I thought they might have been a little bit shorter, so I could have put them in a different like vase or vase, but they're not. They're quite long, so I'm gonna have to put them in with like some other little fake plants I've got from Asda, you'll see in the clip. But still really nice, and I'm glad that I found them because I wanted them for a little while. This is the Pampers grass. Sun coming through the windows. So you've got like this darker green Pamper grass, and then you've got the black one here. I've got to take the labels off. So they are from Forever Frux. That says black Pampers, and then that one says green Pampers. But you can see like the material of what they are, but that stringy material, but they look so good. I've got to sort them out and stretch them out, but the cat's been messing around with them and put in there, so I'll sort them out at one point. I'm also going to put another clip in, and this is for the Navigator. I got two like frozen like pouch cocktails. I got the passion fruit martini, and I got the strawberry daiquiri. I had some friends over, and I thought these were really good actually. The weather's really nice. These would be the sort of time that you want these sort of things. They were only literally £1 each. Really good. Give you a glass of like a nice little cocktail. I put them in the freezer. Definitely, it says on the back like 4 hours, but I did it like more than that. They did take a little while to like go a little bit hard, so you kind of want a bit hard but a bit mushy at the same time, because otherwise you get brain freeze, and that's not very nice. Nice when they were sort of like melting, you got a nice drink out of them. They are a little bit sweet, but they are perfect just to have that one. And when the summer weather comes, like proper hot weather, they will be lush to have. Like people will definitely go for them for £1. Really good, and I will put a clip in of them now. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the home bargains haul. There's quite a good mixture there and there. I got some like cards. I normally get some cards when I go to like Home Bargains or B&M, just to grab a few, just put in like under the bed, as they say, keep when there's like a birthday going on, or something else. Like, it's always good to have that like emergency card, as they say, so it's really good to have them. Some really good stuff with the like party stuff, really good. Reed diffusers, again, rate them to a T. And honestly, the Pampers grass is really pretty, so if you do ever see that, definitely get it, because it's a lot more cheaper than like most places. But like I said, unfortunately, the has come to the end of the video. If you did like the products or the advice or anything I did give in this video, then do not forget a massive thumb up, because it tells me that you like the video, you want to see more, and the video will go around and other people will like it. Subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button at the main page and the bell notification to tell you when a new video has been uploaded. It'd be welcome for you to join, like I said, the love family. The video is not sponsored by any brands I did mention. This is just out of my own money. Comment down below if you like the video or feedback. Like I said, I will always 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. Please check out my other 2 social medias on Instagram. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope that you have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys.